Hello, my name is Connor from Wrexham Volkswagen, and today I'll be showing you around this used Toyota RAV4. This Toyota is powered by a 2-litre diesel engine that produces 148 brake horsepower with manual transmission. It's finished in this lovely blue paintwork. To the side of the vehicle you find the 20-inch alloy wheels, and to the front the reliable LED headlights that provide outstanding visibility. Coming into the boot, which can be opened automatically, you find the Toyota offers generous space for everyday use, alongside folding rear seats, a privacy screen and cargo nets. Into your rear seating, and you'll find the interior to be fitted with this lovely leather seating, which features a folding armrest with cup holders and ISOFIX mounting points. Moving into the cabin, and you find your front seats with the driver's side having power adjustment, alongside other features such as a USB port, an aux port, cup holders and storage inside the armrest. The steering wheel features controls for your cockpit display, cruise control and controls for hands-free phone use. Moving on to the touchscreen display, you can tune into FM and DAB channels through the radio feature. There are also other ways to listen to media such as aux and Bluetooth connectivity. You can connect your mobile device for hands-free use whilst on the road. Navigation allows you to find destinations with ease and plan your journey ahead. You can also access various vehicle settings. Beneath the display you'll find your car's climate control system with heated front seat functionality, and this Toyota comes equipped with a rear view camera. I hope you enjoyed this presentation on the used Toyota RAV4 that's now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, please follow the link in the description below. Or if you'd like to arrange a test drive, please get in touch with our friendly sales team today. Thank you very much for watching, look forward to helping you find your next vehicle.